Grab some wooden popsicle sticks. We are making these adorable little scarecrows for fall. Start with 2 regular sized popsicle sticks, then you'll need 9 of these smaller sized sticks. Use hot glue to attach one centered between the 2 big sticks along the top here. Then glue 1 small stick on each side of that center stick. Flip it over and put glue along the 2 long sticks and place 2 more sticks here. These will be the arms. Now glue down 3 more sticks along the top edge. And then the last stick goes horizontally right here. This is going to be the hat brim. I prefer the look of it squared off, so I'm just cutting both ends with a sharp pair of scissors. The next step is painting the pants, shirt, hat, and shoes. Once the main blocks of color are dry, go in with paint pens and markers for all the fine details like the plaid on his shirt, the facial features, and any patches or decorative designs you want to add to the clothing. This is my favorite technique for adding rosy cheeks. A bit of pink chalk on a cotton swab works perfectly. Now the one accessory I think these scarecrows need is a bandana around the neck. It just makes it look more finished off and proportionate. So I'm folding this piece of ribbon into a triangle and gluing it around his neck. Then he needs some hair. Cut little strips of yellow cardstock and glue those to the back side of the hat brim and along his face. Then give him a little trim as needed. Then anything else you want to add is just a bonus, but the details make this project, and they are the most fun part. Just look at these 3 cute fellas. I love how each one has his own personality. I hope you enjoyed this fall craft today. As always, I have a written blog post with a supply list, photos, and all the details on my site. Happy crafting!